Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a project on the topic restaurant website. So first we'll look at the requirements of this project. We require a text editor. You may use any text editor as per your choice, but I have used your Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Secondly, you require an operating system. Again, it depends on you which operating system you're going to use. It may be your iOS, it may be your Windows, Linux, Unix, depends on you. But I have used a Windows 10. This project is based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The requirement analysis of the project includes index.html, script.js, style.css, and bootstrap. So this is basically the home page of the restaurant. Like how does the landing page of a restaurant looks like? We have not attached any backend here so as to make you clear about the front end website. So front end website and the parts and components of the website which we like work on in the front end, the front end languages that we are using like the HTML, JavaScript, cascading style sheets, a bootstrap class what we use. So to make you clear about it, to make you pretty confident about it, we are going to have only the front page of the restaurant website. So let's have a look at the website first. This is what your website looks like. It has the four, in the header part, it has four components: about, reservation, menu, and shop. It's written here foodie. We have a book a table option. Then this is a section why your restaurant is the best to like make other your customers delighted, to make your customers have faith in you. You need to have a good unique selling proposition, right? You have to have a unique line which differentiates you from the other restaurants. So this column is for that. This is a pretty good image of the different variety of cuisines of fruits and food which we have. Then if you have a booking, you can make a booking here. You can enter your name, phone number, and submit. These are your opening times, and these are the contact numbers. Contact us. Good to go. This is only the front end part where we have used HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, and obviously Bootstrap. See, the images are sliding. Let's look great, right? The sliding images. The image slider concept is also used as well. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to have a look at the code right now. So here we are in the index.html. First we have the doc type HTML, we have the language, then we have a head tag where we have the meta tags, the required meta tags. The viewport, the contents are set, the CSS is loaded. Here see index.css, it's linked here, and the bootstrap is loaded here. This is the link that we took from Google. Integrity is also given here. The cross signal is given, anonymous. The title is restaurant website. What is this? This is basically this one, the restaurant website. If you want to change it, say I want to change it to only restaurant, save it, load again. It changes. Okay. And then we have the navigation. In the navigation, we have four different components as I've already mentioned: about, reservation, menu, and shop. These are four lists. We have an unordered list, and these are the list data. Then we have closed the unordered list tag and the navigation tag. Then we have sections. What is sections? In English, what does sections mean? Different components. There is a boundary between different components. Different students are placed into different sections. Okay. So this is a section. The class name is section intro. We can write here, say foodie. Okay, this is a long name. Let's see. It's written in H1 tag. Let's see how does it look like. See, understood, right? So we change that. Then we have a header. The header is closed here. Then we have a class called link to book wrapper. Then we have reservations, and there is a tag called book a table. Under the reservations, you can book a table, right? See here, in the reservations part, you have a make a booking. You can book your table. This reservation, you can book a table right here. Okay, to make a reservation, you need to book a table. Understood? Then this is the section to write the text like why your restaurant is the best. Let's change it. Our restaurant provides top and delicious food. Sorry, food. So let's see fresh. Our restaurant provides top and delicious food. Again, this para is basically for restaurant. We are a top class franchise which aims which aims ultimate whose ultimate aim is let's like whose ultimate aim is to provide top quality food. Okay, we are a top class. We are a top class which ultimate aim is to provide top. It's a alliteration kind of thing. Great quality. Let's see. Refresh. See, understood, right? So you understood what does this basically stands for. Then we have certain divisions. In the divisions, we have the carousel example controls. The class named is carousel slide and the data right is carousel. Then we have a class called carousel inner and under the image we have certain image source. Let's see. These are the images that I have used here. See, this is one. This is one. This looks like in the phone. See. Then this is one. This is one. And this is one. Understood? Then we have this, these are the images, so the sources are put here. Then we have the anchor tag. In the anchor tag, what happens is in the anchor tag, we have the buttons. Basically, we are going to have a reference. When you click on that, that reference is going to, like, you are going to land into that particular website, the landing website. Then you have a class called container. Under that, you have a class called row flex. And you have the class called flex column form, and here you can make a booking. What is this? This is this part. Make a booking. Okay. Then this is a media centered class, the form class, and here it says please leave your number. We'll call to make a reservation. Which one? This part. Please leave your number. We'll call you to make a reservation. So you can see each and every component is designed in such a way that you can understand the components, you can understand the basic need of the HTML, you can understand the core HTML. So that's why we have kept it so, we have kept this project so the modularity of this project is so intact so that you can understand each and every component, you can understand each and every module. Then here the opening timings are there, you can change it. And then there's the contact address. This is the JavaScript that we have used. The sources are mentioned here. So you are going to link a JavaScript file into this file. What happens here is you also use inline JavaScript, like you can write all the JavaScript here, but it becomes very difficult to read and understand a very pretty long code. That's why what we do is we basically make another JavaScript file, we link it into the HTML file. Okay. Then we have the CSS. In the CSS, what we have first the hover function. When you hover into something, the color changes. Then we have this contact address. We have a form group. Then here the display block is set. In the section intro, the height is set. You can change it. Depending on the website, you can change your flex, you can change your font size, height, display, direction, padding. Everything can be changed. The flex direction, the text alignment, the font size. So everything can be changed. Let's do one thing. Let's change this color and we'll see. I want to show you one color transition change so that you can understand how does it work. I changed a color to green. This one. Okay. First it was white. Now when you hover into it, it changes to green. Understood? This is what I meant. This is what basically I meant by meaning of that. By saying that you can change, you can play. Basically play with this. so that you can get to know better. Now we'll move to the uh, optional JS. So that was the JS which we basically linked. The JS is linked here. The jQuery has been linked so that like whatever notations you will have, whatever JavaScript you are going to use, then you can directly infer it from the internet and you can use it. So this is optional. The JavaScript here is optional because we are not going to have a pretty good functionality of this website. We are only seeing the components, the HTML and CSS part of this website. This is our final product. I hope you understood the code. I hope you liked the code. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.